Turn noise into harmony. FedEx.ai conducts onboarding, invoices, and ATO tasks, all in one place.
FedEx.ai makes client onboarding extremely easy. You can add a client manually, which we rarely do, invite a client by simply entering their email address, or use the intake form link. When the client opens the link, they can enter their personal details and everything will synchronize directly in FedEx.ai. We also provide a comprehensive letter of engagement that covers all standard terms, conditions, and clauses based on the latest Tax Agent Services Act requirements. You can also customize your own letter of engagement, which is fully supported on the FedEx.ai platform. Now, back to client management. Once the client completes the form, you will immediately see their details displayed on the client record. For this demo, we're using mock data. Let's choose Mr. David Wong. Click the client name, then go to ATO Sync. With one click, you can add the client to the ATO Tax Agent portal. You can verify their address against the tax office record, check their lodgement history, and view their pre-fill report. Now that we've added the client, let me show you how to create a quote and get paid directly. Navigate to Invoices, Quotes, and create your first quote. I'll choose the client from the list, David. You can also select multiple clients or pick from client groups. Let's give the quote a title, for example, FY 2025 Company Tax Return. Here you can apply a discount. Let's be generous and offer a 20% discount. Next, add an item. Choose Company Tax Return. Everything is calculated automatically, with the $550 discount clearly shown. Before creating the quote, you can choose follow-up actions that trigger automatically after the client accepts. You can select No Action, ask the client to pay a deposit, just enter the required percentage, we typically charge 50%, or require the client to pay in full upfront. If you've set up direct debit, you can also enable direct debit payment here. Let's set a 50% deposit for now, then create the quote. The quote is now created. All you need to do is click Send to Client and send the email. Now let's switch to the client's email. Open the link. The client will see the quote presented clearly and can click Accept Quote to approve it. A payment link will appear, allowing them to pay the deposit online immediately.
FedEx.ai, built for accountants, designed for speed, making accounting great again.